I know that a lot of things are changing recently, and that causes a lot of anxiety with many immigrants here, especially those who are in the student pathway the same way as with me and with us. Um, but I'm still trying to be positive. I'm not trying to focus on the negative side, but I have a really strong wife that's behind me. Well, in fact, she's the person behind all of this plan, right? And everybody knows that. So I know that I have my wife with me, and I know that somebody up there is actually watching over us. And I would say my advice to those people who are experiencing anxiety, I'm like, don't think about it so much. I can't blame you guys if you're thinking about it, but think about it that you're not gonna be here if it's not meant for you to be here. You know what I mean? God has a plan.